Ciao a tutti, welcome to AI and Stuff. Today we dive into the wonderful world of pandas. If you're thinking about cute bears, think again. We're talking about one of the most powerful data analysis libraries in Python. And don't forget, the Jupyter notebook I'll be using is available on GitHub, link in the description. You might wonder, why the name Pandas? No, it's not named after the adorable bear, but it's short for panel data. Introduced in 2008, Pandas has become the go-to library for data scientists and analysts worldwide. Its flexibility and powerful features make it indispensable for handling and analyzing data. Mamma mia, let's get started. Before we begin our Italian coding session, we need the right ingredients. First, install Pandas with a simple pip command. Next, fire up your Jupyter notebook and let's start coding. Like a delicious pizza has its base and toppings, Pandas has its core data structures, the series and DataFrame. This is a series. Simple, right? Now let's create a data frame, which is like a table with rows and columns. To access specific columns or rows, you use simple indexing. Sometimes data is like spaghetti everywhere. Pandas helps you gather it all in one plate. Let me show you how to read the data from a CSV file and save it back. Pandas also supports other formats like Excel, SQL, JSON, and more. But for today, let's stick to our CSV pasta. You can easily peek into your data using head and tail. This will show the first and last rows of your data. Before adding sauce to our pasta, we need to know our ingredients. Similarly, before analyzing data, we need to explore it. finding missing data is like finding a missing olive on your pizza. And if you're curious about unique values in a column, simply use this. You can also use a for loop to see all the unique values of each column. Adding a new column is also very easy. Now, let's spice things up. Just like adjusting ingredients in a recipe, we can manipulate our data in Pandas. Filtering and sorting data is as easy as picking your favorite toppings. And if you want to apply a function to your columns, here's a simple example. Ecco, there you have it, your first steps with Pandas. It's like making your first pasta dish. The more you practice, the tastier it gets. Don't forget to check the GitHub link in the description for the notebook. And stay tuned for more delicious coding recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Arrivederci!